And then he said, oh, maybe I might just get another supercar for the channel. I might have to put on the list. Now,
Sounds correct.
what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode on 5-Star Cars. On today's episode we're going to be covering DDE, Supercar Blondie, Savage Garage and a few more. If you're new to the channel, thank you very much for taking a few minutes out of your day to check us out here, where I just discuss what's going on in the supercar community and just give my own thoughts and opinions. But guys, I need you to help the channel out. I need to get, we just need to climb up in the subscriptions. Smash the subscribe button, because every subscription is a step towards us getting a project car for the channel. I want to deliver the project car for you and get one for you and show you what I can do with a project car. We are aiming to get an MR2, so hopefully it's something you want to see on the channel. I will do vlogs and stuff like that. We will get there. I just need the channel to get bigger, and there's no supercars where I live, so this is why I'm doing this. But hopefully you enjoy this kind of stuff. Get discussing in the comments below, and yeah, let's just jump into today's video. As I said, DDE, right? If you know, Damon Fryer has a second channel. And as he was on his second channel, he's with his family, and they're out in Kelowna, up in British Columbia. Yeah, he did say they pulled in a balloon white Lamborghini Aventador, and he was saying basically should he got that over the 720S. And then he said, oh, maybe I might just get another supercar for the channel. It might have to be put on the list. Now, he did ask the question going, guys, if should he have gotten the Aventador over the 720S, or should he get another car? Now, the reason I'm bringing this up is because usually when he starts dropping these hints, hopefully there's enough pressure from you DD fans and even myself to say get the Aventador. Personally, my own opinion, should he have gotten the Aventador over the 720S? He should have. I mean, I'm always going to be a Lamborghini guy, and one of my dream cars is a balloon white, Aventador Roadster with a nice set of aftermarket wheels with chrome lip and gold spokes. That would be my ultimate one, and probably a red interior, white and red interior, or no, black and red interior. So yeah, that would be my dream spec. And when I saw the Aventador there, I was like, my god, I'm pretty sure they could afford to get one. They've been doing really good in views lately. I'm sure their ad revenue is pretty good as well. So, I want to hear from you guys. What do you think? Do you think he's going to end up buying an Aventador? Do you want him to get one? Or do you think he should have got one over 720S? There was somebody who did comment on my last video saying when they got 720S that they're outdone. And you know what? I am kind of in agreement with them. That's why they depreciate so much. Because nearly every YouTuber has one, but they are a great car. They're lovely to look at, but I wish they got in the Aventador. Look at TJ Hunt's Aventador; it's absolutely perfect. It's so nice, and I hope DD will end up getting the Aventador, because that would really help their channel. But then again, are they ever going to get a hypercar? So let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think about them maybe purchasing an Aventador for the channel. Moving next onto our list, talking of 720Ss, sure, who went away and bought one? But Supercar Blondie, her first supercar. Well, not her first, obviously, but yeah, she went away and bought a grey 720S. I mean, look, guys. Whether you like McLaren or not, we have to understand here. You're getting the best amount of car for the money. Would I buy one if I had the money? Damn right I would. They're quick as hell. They look gorgeous. I do a lot of mods to them. I'm glad she got the car. Hopefully this will kind of, she gets so many views. I'm sure she can definitely afford it. I'd say that's been paid up in one go. It's a lovely spec. It'd be interesting to see if she does modify it or not. I'm not too sure if she's the kind of girl that modify her cars, but I think she should do some modifications and record it. I think it'd be good for her channel. But it's a lovely spec grey one. Should she wrap it? Yes, I think she should. But again, I don't think we've ever seen her modify a car, so it'll be interesting to see if she does modify it. And let me know, Joe, what car she should have bought actually instead of the 720S if you didn't want to get that. But you know, fair dues there, and you know, we could all wish to get one if we couldn't afford one. So you know, well done to her, and I'm glad to see, you know, that she got it, and we should see what happens in the next few videos if she modifies it or not. Moving next onto our list, guys, is FI Exhaust. They have a video up about a S7, a murdered blacked out wide body S7, and my god, I've really liked A7s for a while, and the S7 is beautiful. Would I buy one if I had the money? I probably would. I really do like them. This one is absolutely insane. It's blacked out. The only thing I don't like about it is the yellow headlights. I'm such a no-no on yellow headlights with murdered out cars. I'm just like, it has to be just all black for me. But it's just such a sick car. But the exhaust system on it is, oh my god, just listen to this. This is pretty sweet. There you go, guys. What you think? Comment below. Would you buy an S7? Do you have one? Would you put an exhaust system on it? I really like that wide arch kitted S7. I think it's pretty nice. My god, like, and it's fair fucking quick as well. Actually, it does 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. So it's a 4-liter V8. It pushes. I think it's pushing some really quick horsepower. So yeah, I would love to get one of them if I had the money, probably. But you know, obviously there's the Audi hardheads would be like RS, go up to the RS instead. But look, beautiful car. Said I'd bring it up to you. Link in the description below if you want to check out the video yourselves. Moving next on our list, guys, is TJ Hunt. We've gotten an update video. I'm just going to split this into kind of two. Obviously the first bit is thank God Sabrina's okay. The update video was basically about her. Yeah, they found something in her brain. They've taken a small sample. She's on seizure watch. The main thing is she's home, she's safe, she's okay. You know, and I'm just delighted she's home, because she's a really good part of that channel. I love, you know, her vlogging out and driving cars. Like, they're the perfect match, and it really sucks that she's this after happening to her. So just so happy that she's at home and glad she's safe, and you know, it's good news for TJ. And look, they have to wait for the results to come back, so fingers crossed, praying for her that everything will be okay, and have her in our thoughts. And in that video, actually, that came out after the one I watched. The one I watched was he was buying parts for an Audi R8. As you know, he's building a crash one, and he was asking how much do you think the parts would come up to. And he was saying, guess how much. Now, I guessed maybe around 12,000 to 13,000. With the ceramic brake and the parts he needed, it was coming up to around 10 to 11. So he guessed 10. $5,000 for a ceramic brake. My god, man, that's insane money. Like, but anyway, without the ceramic brake, he ended up paying around $5,100 for parts for an Audi R8. If that doesn't prove, if it's like basically, you know, it's an Audi R8 now is like a poor man's rich car, or poor rich man's car, whichever way it goes. Shit, I don't know. Anyway, it's basically for people like, you know, that have an entry level supercar, but it's a lot cheaper to fix than a Lamborghini. I was quite surprised how cheap that was, because his 458 build, the parts and to get that fixed was 50,000. You know, that's like such a huge difference. I mean, again, I always say it, if this channel, guys, if you want me to get an R8, subscribe. Let's get do. The bigger we get, the more money I can bring in, the quicker I can get us an R8 and start modifying it. So parts are cheap. That's pretty sweet. And I really can't wait him to really start modifying this heavy and see if he goes down the kit route and stuff like that. But quite surprised. I think he's after getting a ceramic brake for around 1,500. So loving the build. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of did you guess it was going to cost around 10,000 as well. Last but not least on our list, guys, is Savage Garage. They have released a video. It was basically about the rally last year, but I think it was about Kentucky cops or something, and ticketing them and trying to basically are corrupt as fuck. Like, Shane, like, I watched it. I don't know if you've watched it. It is, it's like, well, we don't know what speed you're going. You're not being radared. I'm just going to take a wild guess and ticket you off for excessive speeding, yet you didn't know what speed we're going. You just kind of were on the overpass. Like, I've heard of stories. If you're from there and you're watching this, please let me know, are they that corrupt down there? Are they always giving out tickets? Over here in Ireland, you don't really get it. I've never really experienced it going to car cruises, but yeah, I mean, it's so sleazy. Thank God you've ticketed the Smithers over there. I'm sure they work pretty great. But it's very interesting just to see from the other people in different cars recording what he's being said. The cop was kind of like, I shouldn't be giving these tickets because I'm probably wasting everybody's time because they'll probably get dismissed. And yeah, right pain in the ass. It seems like when you go on rallies over there, especially through central states, these kind of places really go for you. I know it's a big scam, but look, it was just interesting to see it. I'd love to hear some of these stories below in the comments of what they're like over there as well, because it's not like that here in Ireland. It's definitely not. So, well, there we go, guys. That is everything for today. Thanks very much if you watched to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope if you subscribe, like, comment below, and we will have another video out probably in the next day or two. So till then, I shall see you in the next episode. Stay safe, peace out, and bye.